and nature's law hide in night. God said, let's Newton be. All was light. This pronoun is by the Alexander Pope. So today we'll know about the story of Isaac Newton. So let's start. Isaac Newton born in 1642. In this time, the Galileo Galilei also died. So by that time, when he became born, then this was a Christmas day. All the sides of this day was so much happy, and but this person means this boy was not so much happy like another. He is moody and he happy, sometimes happy, but his attitude was changed, and he always says the mechanical things. He has a basket of another kind of devices, means another kind of attitude than the another kind of child's. So by that time, day by day, when he become a school age, means he have to go now to school. He go to a local school, but he studied there. He was so much good in result, but he was not so much attentive in the class. But how does he become the first boy? So by that time, when he studied more and more, he was become so much famous. But there's a problem. He always think that not they like the another boys, because another child have another friends. But this person has no friends. He always play with his maiden things. So by the time when his mother take out from the school, then at first he go to farm, and his mother hobby was that my child will become a great farmer. Then, but it was so much exciting that he make a research on the plants. What is that? And by that time, when he did make the research more and more, these all things showed to the Cambridge University. Then, day by day, Cambridge University called him in the only 8 years old. What a nice! And by that time, here in the Cambridge University, the teacher will think what we will teach, he will learn. But no, he make a research on the book of the Cambridge. He is the intellectual of this place. He born in England. So by that time, when he was a student of Cambridge, he get a room that he can experiment. Then he become happy and make telescope. And only in the 7 years, means from the 21st, and means when his age was 21st, and from the until 27, and in this time he changed the science and the mathematics, and in the physics there is a lot of mathematics, you know that. So this physical mathematics also made by him, because he make this physics mathematics, and by that things this make us confused. What is that? And it is made by Isaac Newton. So Isaac, and in his time, many scientists say that I am best. But Isaac Newton show this thing by his work, not in a mouth. So, but by that time, he become the most popular scientist in all over the world. So, day by day, when many times come, he make many kind of things which is so much important for our modern age. Without him, the modern age didn't happen. He made a lot of technologies, the gravity, the speed, and the story of gravity is so much interesting. So let's know. At first, one day, he was in the side of an apple. He was sitting like that. But one time, an apple came up here. And then he became bored. Why this apple come here? Not why, not there. Then he make a research on that. Day by day, he think that it's the gravity. He make a research on that. And Galileo is a great scientist, you know. William Harvey is a great scientist, but Isaac Newton also a greatest scientist. So all of the he didn't take any another theory that one people has making that. I have to stole that. His mind was not that. What I will make, what I can make the technology, and he also modified some theories. And by that all he become so much famous all over the world. What nice! And day by day, this time moves. He make many kind of scientific projects. The university become wow excited. Wow, what is it doing? And by that, then day by day, he becomes selected the most wonderful scientist all over the world. Was a moody person in the childhood. Now he is the greatest scientist. And he, at first, the moon is near. What is the difference from moon and Earth? This theory is also made by Isaac Newton. Our blood counting. This also is made by Isaac Newton. So, anatomy. So, and the modification of anatomy, Isaac Newton. So, gravity, Isaac Newton. Sound, not sound, the speed, Isaac Newton. So all of these things and motion also, the Isaac Newton's things. And so that to see all of these things, people say now, and also all the world people say Isaac Newton. So by that time, when he made these all things, he mostly become so much intellectual in his country. All the people always say he is the best scientist, and till now, and his friend, he has some friends when he become elder. So, and his some friends was some scientist also. So that by that time, his friend was a scientist, and these two friends become so much famous all over the world. He modified the age, he modified the motion, he modified these all things. So these things, now we are enjoying the modern age. For how we are enjoying that? Who make these things? For which person we are getting many kind of subjects? How the physics make more modification? Anatomy, how the anatomy become more modification? What is the problem of that? And wow, who made that? This all things is made by Isaac Newton. So Alexander Pope say in these things that he is the greatest scientist. From his pronoun, we can listen by the greatest scientist. He has made all the universe easy. So, by that time, when he will die in 1727, in this time, all the world till now has not get such a scientist like him. So, all of the ages time he has changed, and this little moody boy has become a greatest scientist all over the world. And at this all now we are using this kind of modificational things such as modern science. Modern science, some parts of the modern science also has made by him. Not only the physics and the anatomy, also the modern science. So we, in all ages of the people, we remember him, and we always should respect him. Thank you.